Got the geek?
Welcome to themortgagegeek.com. In this video, we're going to talk about residential construction renovation financing. There are several options for construction financing. In this video, we're going to give general information, so the parameters among the various programs will vary. The main point I want to get across is that if you're looking for construction financing, you do have options. The best loan for you will depend on your circumstances. So what can you do with a construction loan? You can buy land and build a home. You can buy a home, knock it down, and build a new one. You can buy a home and renovate it, or you can build or renovate on property that you already own. You can use the construction loan to build a 1 to 4 family primary or secondary home, and the property does not have to be legal in order for the loan to be approved, but you will need a plan to make it legal. Financing will be based on the lesser of the total cost or the appraised value after construction, and the documents that you need will be the same as a standard mortgage, but you'll also need plans and specs, a construction contract, and an itemized budget. You'll need to have a builder's risk policy in place for the construction period. When construction is completed, you can switch to a standard homeowner's insurance policy. With a construction loan, you don't get a lump sum of the entire balance at closing. You'll set up a disbursement schedule with the lender that outlines your plan to build or renovate. When you finish with a particular phase, the lender will inspect it and then disperse funds for the work completed. As construction progresses, the mortgage balance and the monthly payment will increase. Payments are generally interest only based on the outstanding balance during construction. When construction is completed, the loan will amortize over the remaining term. So let's look at a couple of construction loan programs. First, we'll look at the FHA 203K and the VA construction loan. The FHA 203K requires a minimum FICO of at least 580, and they will lend up to 96.5%. For the VA construction loan, they'll lend up to 100%, and they require a minimum FICO of 620. On both of these government loans, you can only finance the construction or renovation of a primary home. Next, we'll look at the Fannie Mae Homestyle Construction Loan. Fannie Mae requires a minimum FICO of 680. They will lend up to 97% for a primary home, 90% for a secondary home, and they will even lend for a fix and flip up to 85%. The bank portfolio construction loans will vary quite a bit because it's different banks with different guidelines. Generally speaking, on a primary home, you'll need a minimum FICO of 680 and a maximum loan to value of 90%, depending on the loan amount. For a secondary home, you'll probably need a 700 FICO, with maximum financing being 80%. I want to say again that this is just a general outline of construction renovation financing. If you have any questions, you can send us an email, or just check back later for a more detailed breakdown of specific programs. Thank you for watching our video. If you thought it was helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel. For mortgage market news and updates and notifications of free seminars, you can follow us on your favorite platform.
Got the geek?